प्यार की कसमें मैंने हर लम्हा तुझे चाहा तुझे. Why don't you become Sita? I know you're still alive. I really want to help you, but I'm a bit scared of you, baby. Jadu se, shall I do?
No.
How
Then
will
it
I
will
become
die.
Sita?
It will die if you do that.
Ayyo. I swear on you, I didn't do anything. Papa, it needs help. Its half body is paralyzed. That's why it's not able to move. Puttu.
It's moving its head.
Only half body is working. Remaining half body is not working. And
Because you squashed it. You squashed it by accident. Well,
I didn't squash. I just touched it here and a bit. So maybe it was already half paralyzed. Maybe. See the Ojo, please. I'm scared. See the Ojo, please. I swear I want to hurt you. Jhadu se lag jayegi. It's too big. I'll use something soft.
tissue.
I cannot hold and keep it, Sita. No, I can't. This is soft. We'll try with this. I'm not putting the pressure of it, but
I'm scared.
seriously. I don't know.
Now its whole body is paralyzed.
No.
She's not even moving.
It is moving.
Where?
Papa. See the Uso, baby. See the Uso. You can do it. You can do it.
Just hold it with your finger.
Are you kidding me? You do it. Come. Come. And then. I am not scared of dinosaurs, snake, or anything else.
As
I'm
if I'll bring
scared
a
of
snake
lizard.
next to you.
मेरा दिल तोड़ा तन्हा छोड़ा. Seriously, please. You have to put some effort, baby. ऐसे हो जाओ. Oh my God. Why did it become ulta?
Because of you.
No, it was already paralyzed. I didn't do anything. You see, Puttu, I'll give you 100 rupees. Paper in the ink itkundu hing ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು ಸೀದಾ
I
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು.
don't want money. If you give me a heart also, I want to.
Hard.
Yeah.
So you don't love me? Okay, baby, you should be putting some efforts too.
Now you made it more ulta.
Puttu, there is no way we can help with this. We need to put some paper underneath and then.
Why can't you do it?
I am scared of lizard.
Even I'm scared.
You said I love lizard. Lizards are so cute.
Aha, as if I said.
Please. Look close. Give a close look. It's so cute.
That's what I'm doing.
It's cute one.
Ah, then why can't you do it if it's cute?
Because I since my childhood I'm scared of lizard. Get up, baby. Get up. You should also put some efforts. You should put some efforts. Oh. Puttu, it's not gonna help. We need to put some paper and then paper hing ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Ba. You should help it. We cannot let it die like
Amma,
that.
please. If you are
I
like,
don't have that much of guts. You send me to Kargil, I can fight. I cannot touch lizard. I'm scared.
ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವೆಬ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ಗಳು ಈಗ ಅಚ್ಚ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
तुम्हारी मम्मी कहाँ चली गई?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಿಯೋ ಹಾಟ್‌ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ.
Everyday life comes with its own stressors, like pollution and seasonal shifts. Your best friends.
I know this is not helping. Where is the paper?
At Organic India, our immunity
There's
range
no
is
paper,
made with
but there
organic
is
whole herbs for maximum
tissue.
absorption and improved benefits. Let
Puttu, you're making me do something which I'm very much scared of. I might get heart attack. I'm
God and do it.
Huh?
Just chant God and do it.
Can I put it down?
No.
It might become Sida.
If it becomes zero, it will be down.
So it can go.
It can't. How can it go?
You're not recording.
I am recording. See.
If it becomes
Put it down.
ऐसे धर्म संकट में डाल दिया भगवान जी. तुम भी तो थोड़ा प्रेशर डालो. You have to get up. Please help me. Also help yourself. Come on, baby, you can do it. You can do it. Oh God. This is not even straight paper. Okay. I can do it. Even you can do it. Okay. तो Now you go. Thanks me later. I did it. अब उठ के चली जाना, okay?
Body is paralyzed. How can I do?
You want me to feed it something?
उसमें कुछ खास
If it doesn't eat, we'll have to waste the food. Take,
But I did it.
take this.
No, it doesn't eat jelly.
Amma, you're wasting your time on this.
It became Sida, thank God.
Because I was chanting God. Or else if I wouldn't.
सीधी हो गई. It's as equal as winning a marathon. मुझे किसी से डर नहीं लगता है, ना इंसानों से. हाँ, भूतों से लगता है थोड़ा. छिपकली से तो बहुत लगता है. I did it.